Hello, everyone. I'm the product manager for Geo, and I'll be taking you through the 15.0 kickoff video for Geo. And I'm being joined by Yanis Roussos, who is the product manager for the database and memory group. Let me share my screen. Okay. So looking at 15.0, in 14.10, we started moving existing data types to the Geo self-service framework. The Geo self-service framework simplifies integration of the new data types with the Geo's replication logic. It also enables other developers to extend Geo replication to new data types. We have moved most of the data types with the exception of a few already. Namely, we have left over projects and wikis, designs, container registry, and CI job artifacts. Now, CI job artifacts are almost done and may well make it into 14.10. Over the next few milestones, we'll iteratively add the remaining data types, starting with projects and wikis in 15.0. Next up is GA for object storage replication. Rather than relying on object storage replication by object storage providers, this feature provides GitLab managed object storage replication. Using a consolidated object storage configuration simplifies the GitLab configuration and has several other advantages. We will test and validate the performance of this feature against reference architectures and 3 of the most common object storage providers, namely Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage. Next up is the Geo Proxy Feature. Geo introduced unified URLs in 14.6, and proxying works well in this configuration where the secondary site proxies the request back to the primary site if it cannot serve it locally. However, there are legitimate use cases for having separate URLs for the secondary sites. In this release, we will add support for proxying requests to the primary site when using separate URLs for the secondary sites. And then lastly, in terms of the large features that we hope to achieve in this release, we will be following best practices to ensure Geo is up to date and compatible with the latest release of Rails, with Rails 6 many databases support. 15.0 is also a major release and a key milestone where we make deprecations and breaking changes. And Geo is no exception to this, and we will review and remove these in this release. Details I won't go into on this recording, but you're welcome to look through the issues here in the deprecations issue, and there are quite a number to go through. Let me just open the correct page here. There are quite a number to go through, and we'll take you through that. Now, a couple of other items we will hope to be looking to achieve in this release is the category maturity scorecard for disaster recovery. We believe disaster recovery has reached maturity. However, we always validate this with customer data and interviews. And in this release, as part of this release, we'll be looking to achieve that. And we have a significant performance improvement that we have been able to achieve in the first-time replication for Git data. Geo has improved the first-time experience of setting up a secondary site by switching from Git fetch to Git clone. We've been able to gain approximately 27% performance improvement with this change, and this feature is likely to make 14.10. But we've got a placeholder in 15.0 in case there's any rollover work for us to do to complete this. So I'm very excited about 15.0. And just to recap what we'll be looking to achieve with 15.0, continue to make progress with migrating all existing data to the self-service framework, GA object storage replication, improve the proxying feature, and also get up to speed with the Rails 6 many databases update as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope to catch up with you on the next release.